Hi faves, welcome back again to a new video. Yeah, so when you ask our Nigerian mothers to make you a pancake, this is definitely what you're going to get as a pancake, and they call this diet. So if you want to know how I made this, kindly keep watching. So you need milk, you need flour, you need sugar, vanilla extract, salt, eggs, pepper in pancake, and onion. So yeah, these are the list of the ingredients that we are going to use in making this pancake diet. So let's get straight into the video. So first you sift your flour. So this is one of the reason you should sift your flour. Okay, so after that add sugar, salt, and basically mix together. You're mixing this dry ingredients together before any other thing. Okay, so after you've mixed your dry ingredients together, so I just added 2 eggs, pepper, onion, vanilla extract, then milk. Okay, so when you've added all this together, you now start to mix. So added water and continue to mix. Of course, we are adding another water because this is not your usual pancake. This is Nigeria type of pancake, and it is called diet. And this particular pancake, it's the what is supposed to be runny, hence me adding water and more water. Okay, it doesn't have to be thick like the usual pancake. This particular one supposed to be runny like this. So here is the perfect consistency that I prefer. Some actually going to still add water, but this is the consistency I am working with. Now everything is perfect. So I'm going to set this aside. So grab your pan, oil it, and start to basically scoop your batter into your pan, just like this. Can you see how it is looking? Very different from the usual normal pancake. So you're going to fry on both sides. And here you have it. I take it out. So you are basically going to keep repeating the process until you exhaust your batter. If today is your first time of stopping by my channel, my name is Favor. I am a Nigeria YouTuber based in Lagos State. Okay, kindly subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, drop a comment, and don't be a stranger. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. So this is the finished product. This is how the pancake or diet, anyone you choose to call it, is looking like. Kindly let me know in the comment section if you have tasted it before, if your mom have made this kind of diet for you before, or are you basically going to try it yourself to know how it tastes. But I kid you not, it tasted so yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and I am definitely going to see you in my next one. Bye bye.